how to fix Instagram keeps logging me out on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open settings, this one for Android phones, go to apps again, type here Instagram and then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here. And if you have an iPhone, just restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to App Store or Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here any update, just update your Instagram. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.